भारत जननी एक हृदय हो, एक राष्ट्रभाषा हिंदी हो, एक राष्ट्रभाषा हिंदी की कोटि कोटि जनता की जय। ऑनरेबल चेयरपर्सन एंड member of NACD committee, hearty welcome to the Department of Hindi. The Hindi department was established in 1959. The renowned scholar of 18 languages and linguistics, Professor Radhakrishnan K. Vidiyar, was the founder chairman of the department. Dr. Chandulal Ji Dubey succeeded as chairman of the department. He implemented Hindi language and non-Hindi job. Now, Dakshin Bharat Hindi Prachar Sabha was the research center which have many branches throughout South India. Our former chairman, Sahitya Academy awardee, Professor P.V. Kattimani was served as a vice chancellor, Indira Gandhi Tribal University, Amarkantak. For second tenure, he is and vice chancellor of Central University of Andhra Pradesh, Vijayanagar. This is our vision, mission, goal. Just छात्रों को हिंदी और शोध क्षेत्र में सबसे आगे लाकर एक आदर्श हिंदी विभाग बनाना, छात्रों में भारतीय संस्कृति के मूल्यों को विकसित करने एवं आत्मनिर्भरता और सेवा का मूल्य सिखाने के लिए प्रासंगिक गुणवत्तापूर्ण उच्च शिक्षा प्रदान करना, वैश्विक क्षमता को बढ़ावा देने के लिए सार्वभौमिक मानव जाति और वसुधैव कुटुंबकम की संकल्पना को चरितार्थ करना। This is courses offered MA program, PG diploma program, PhD program. Program outcomes POS, PSOS and COS have been prepared, displayed in the website and brought to the notice of students. Program structure: core paper 70, open elective paper total 2, dissertation work 1, total 20 courses and 80 of credits. Courses having gender sensitivity relevance. This is courses having relevance to environmental and sustainable development, and these are courses having relevance to professional ethics and human values. Can I move for the next slide, sir? Structure: student intake capacity MA 65, diploma 20, PhD 24. Student strength of PG 16-17 academic year 58 students, 17-18 academic year 28 students, 18-19 academic year 37 students, again 19-20 academic year 37 students, 20-21 academic year 42 students. Teaching faculty: Dr. Sitaram K. Pawar, specialization in Hindi literature and comparative studies, professor and chairman, 30 years of experience. Dr. Prabha Bhatt, specialization in Hindi literature and linguistics, professor, 25 years of experience. Dr. L.P. Lamani, Dr. Nita Davlatkar, Dr. Sheila Chowle, Dr. M.S. Vasanor, teaching assistant of this department. Net select pass. From 16-17 academic year students are passed as net pass select, 17-18 3 students, 18-19 4, 19-20 3 students and 20-21 2 students. Placement of the students: assistant professor 7, teacher 12. Result analysis of MA program: 16-17 academic year 5 distinction, 35 first class, 100% of result. 17-18 9 distinction, 28 first class, 18-19 8 distinction, 7 first class, 19-20 9 distinction, 27 first class, 20-21 7 distinction, 17 first class. Most students are got a good result in this every year. This is maintained process. Policy of identifying slow learners and advanced learners. Conducting surprise tests towards all the students. Strategy for both kind of learners. Giving more assignments for slow learners to improve their learning capability. Similarly, for advanced learners, giving classroom seminars. Outcome of the mentoring process. While conducting second test for both learners, they becoming well improvement for future performance. Contribution of Alumni Association. Workshop conducted by Alumni Association on 16 January 2021. Alumni Association has contributed to departmental library. Scholarship and fellowship. University research studentship finding by Karnataka University Dharwad. Number of 8 students are receiving this scholarship. Doctoral fellowship, UGC finding by UGC, 2 students. Postdoc fellowship, finding by University Grants and Commission, there is 1 student. Endowments, every year there is a 1 endowment for Professor Radhakrishna Mudaliar Endowment Lecture. In that 4 lectures we are doing from 16-17. Dr. Subhadra Vajpayee, Usmania University, Hyderabad, 4 endowment lectures. 17-18, Dr. Ganesh Pawar, Central University of Karnataka, Gulbarga, 4 endowment lectures. 18-19, Dr. Sumana T, Mangalore University of Men, 4 endowment lectures. 19-20, Dr. Rama Prakash, Venkateshwar University, Tirupati, 4 endowment lectures. 2021, Dr. Pratibha Mudaliar, Mysore University, Mysore, 4 endowment lectures. This is sports and co-curricular activities. Every year, our students got a general championship in university level speech competition on the occasion of Hindi Day held at Dakshin Bharat Hindi Chasba, Dhar. Students achievement. Medhavi Chhatra Puraskar sponsored by Bank of Baroda. Every year, 2 students got that award. The department students have received 3. Nirmala Kumar Bhaktamala Ji Mahajan State Tehsil Gold Medal since 2001 to every year. Research activity by students. Number of paper published 43. Number of books with ISBN 5. Award 9. PhD award at 7. PhD ongoing 9. Awards and rewards received by the faculty. Samman Patra year 2016, हिंदी डिपार्टमेंट साते कॉलेज मुंबई तथा अयोध्या शोध संस्थान उत्तर प्रदेश. श्रीमती रजी देवी नंदाराम सिहागा साहित्य अवार्ड 2018, बोहाल शोध मंजूषा शोध पत्रिका हरियाणा. सांस्कृतिक और धीमंत सम्मान 2018 बाय हुबली धारवाड़ म्युनिसिपल कॉर्पोरेशन, धारवाड़, कर्नाटक. महात्मा गांधी पुरस्कार 2020, डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ हिंदी, बेंगलुरु यूनिवर्सिटी, बेंगलुरु. गुरुकुल तिलक पुरस्कार इंटरनेशनल अवार्ड 2021, कस्तूरी श्रीगन्नड़ वेदिके रजिस्टर्ड, बेलगावी, कर्नाटक. विद्या विभूषण इंटरनेशनल अवार्ड 2021, कस्तूरी श्रीगन्नड़ वेदिके, बेलगावी, कर्नाटक. This is our extension activities. Our student was recognized in daily study. Our student Miss नेहा भोसले which written one poem मैं ही शेखर और भगत की बोलती तस्वीर हूँ. Simultaneously our student प्रदीप स्पीच कॉम्पिटिशन कहाँ से लाऊं अशफाक अब्दुल लाहौर देश जात में रहा है. Both students are received prize by Vice Chancellor of Chaudhary Charan Singh University. This is physical facility, chairman room with hi-fi facility 1, office room with Wi-Fi facility 1, staff room with Wi-Fi facility 2, ladies room 1, department room. In that ICT based classroom 2. Contribution to the university, the department has contributed worth 2,25,000 to the university. Exchange program of teaching and learning with the SRJ Arts and Commerce College. 2016 to 2018, there are 3 national and international seminars held in our department. 21वीं सदी का साहित्य, उत्तराधुनिकता, many invited scholars come to this seminar. Professor Bipin Tiwari from Goa, Ganga Prasad Sharma from Gujarat. 210, more than 210 delegates are attending this seminar. And from in 25th March 2017, there is another international seminar, Farmers and Labour Struggle in the Contemporary Hindi Literature. Professor Pran Jaggi from London, Vasudev Kafre from Kathmandu, Nepal, and Ved Prakash Patuk from Delhi. Many delegates are attended this seminar. Near about 487 delegates are. Diversity criticism in the contemporary Indian literature. Professor Sudha Arora from Delhi, Professor Pran Jaggi from London. They are invited scholars. near about 493 delegates attended this international seminar. This is best practice of department, endowments and special lectures, and literary activity by Hindi sir. Future plan, independent bidding for PG diploma program to organize Dakshin Bharat Hindi Sahitya Sammelana in future days. And another future plan is there, international conference to be organized. Thank you. Sudha Arora.